Hello everyone and welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to use your Samsung tablet as second monitor for Mac. So what you're gonna have to do is simply download this app on your devices. So this app is called Let's View and you can find it on the Mac App Store. Now, after you do that, make sure that you are connected on the same Wi-Fi network. Now, you're gonna have to open it on your Mac and then simply click on the drop-down menu and select Extend My Screen. Then simply click on Start Mirroring and then you're gonna get this code here. Now, simply open this app on your tablet and then you just have to enter the code and that's it. So, I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.